Hi friends, welcome to my channel The Joy of Cooking. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar and today I will be showing you all the recipe of Dahi Vada. Everyone's favorite. Let's start and learn how to make yummy, delicious and tasty Dahi Vada. For that, here I have taken urad dal and we are going to wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for about 5 to 6 hours. In warm water. Here I have soaked it. It's soaking for 5 to 6 hours now and you will see it's soaked properly once it breaks like this. So it must break easily. Perfect. In a mixing bowl, I am going to take yogurt or curd. So here I am using about 4 to 5 cups of yogurt and I am going to whisk it nicely till it becomes nice smooth. We don't want any lumps in the yogurt. And here I am going to add powdered sugar to this as per taste. So about 3/4 cup of powdered sugar or as per taste and whisk it nicely. Let the sugar dissolve. We are going to now add salt to this, very little, and again mix this well. Keep this yogurt in the refrigerator. Till then, in a kadhai, I am going to take oil for deep frying. And we are going to heat the oil on medium to low flame. In a mixing bowl here, now I am going to take about 1 to 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt or curd and add about 2 to 2.5 cups of water to this. Water at the room temperature and mix this well. Keep it aside. In the mixer jar, I'll take the urad dal. We are not going to take excess water into this. And blend it. Now here you can see it's not blended properly. So at this stage I am going to add ginger to this. For 1 cup of dal we require 1 green chili and 1 inch ginger. Peeled and roughly chopped. Add little water if you want to. And make a fine paste out of this like this. And now we are going to transfer this in a bowl. Now mix it. And to this I am going to add salt as per taste. And mix it well. Let it combine nicely. And you'll see it's perfectly done. Till then our oil is nice and hot. So now we'll put the vadas into it. I'm going to make medium sized vadas. So put them accordingly. Make sure the flame is low right now because the oil is nice and hot. We want our vadas to cook from the inside. So we're going to deep fry them on low flame for about 2 minutes, and you'll see they are flipping. So they have become nice lightweight vadas. And now you can see they have become nice light golden brown in color. At this stage, we can further deep fry them on high flame. So keep turning them continuously so that they cook evenly from all the sides. And we want a little dark golden brown color like this. Perfect color for the dahi vada. And once they are done, we are going to remove them. And now after 3 minutes, I am going to put them in the curd water that we had prepared. Immerse them in the water, mix it well, make sure they are immersed properly. You will see they are floating, and keep them immersed for about 2 to 3 minutes. And now we are going to remove the excess water. With a light hand, we are going to press the vadas. Now this will make the vadas more light in weight. So this step is very, very important. So press them with light hand. We actually want them to retain their shape. In the serving bowl, we are going to take our vadas. And now I am going to pour the sweetened yogurt onto them. Put the dates and tamarind chutney as per like. Sprinkle some red chili powder, about a pinch or as per taste. Some black pepper powder, roasted cumin powder, and some coriander leaves for garnishing. And tada! Our dahi vada is ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sundar Diwalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.